Are you ready to shed those extra pounds? Let's explore the most effective exercises. For weight loss, first up we have jumping jacks. These simple yet effective exercises are a fantastic way to get your heart pumping and burn calories fast. Aim to do 3 sets of 20 reps to really get your blood flowing and start torching those excess pounds. Now let's move on to bodyweight squats. These exercises are great for targeting your lower body, building strength and burning fat. Make sure to maintain proper form and aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Feel the burn as your muscles work hard to sculpt your legs and booty. To further tone up and slim down, let's add push-ups to your workout routine. Push-ups not only strengthen your upper body, but also engage your core muscles. Start with 2 sets of 10 reps and gradually increase the intensity over time. You'll be amazed at the definition and tone you can build in your arms, chest, and abs. For a full-body calorie burner, it's time to try burpees. These high-intensity exercises may be tough, but they are incredibly effective. Start with 10 burpees, take a short rest and repeat twice. Feel your heart race and your body heat up as you engage multiple muscle groups and burn maximum calories. Don't forget about the plank. This exercise is perfect for strengthening your core and improving your overall stability. Challenge yourself by holding the plank position for 30 seconds. Rest and then repeat. This deceptively simple exercise will help you build a strong base and improve your posture. Remember, it's not just about exercise. Combine these exercises with a balanced diet to truly see the transformation begin. Consistency is key, so stick with your routine and keep pushing yourself. You have the power to transform your body and achieve your weight loss goals. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more weight loss tips. Your fitness journey starts today.